You've installed a new program on a Windows computer and use it every day, yet you go to the Start menu, and if it's still there, click on it. Programs recently added get removed after a few days, so it's best to do this next tip here. See all these icons on the bottom of the screen? This is called the taskbar. These are programs I use every day. So now go to the Start menu after a program's been installed, right click on it. Now you could pin to start, but it's going to show up in here and that's still 2 clicks away. Instead go to More, Pin to Taskbar, and it gets added to the bottom right. Now you holding down the left mouse button, you can click and drag this to wherever you want. If you want to remove a program that you don't use anymore, right click on it on the taskbar, Unpinned from Taskbar. If you found this tip helpful, please subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.